Is the 2026 Tesla Model X the ultimate family SUV of the future? Tesla has refined their flagship crossover, and the results are impressive. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're exploring what makes the latest Model X a game-changer in the electric vehicle space. Design. The Model X continues to turn heads with its distinctive silhouette and those famous falcon wing doors. For 2026, Tesla has refined the exterior with improved aerodynamics that boost efficiency without compromising that sleek, futuristic look. The interior is where luxury meets minimalism. Premium materials throughout the cabin create an upscale atmosphere, while the spacious three-row seating comfortably accommodates 7 adults. The panoramic windshield extends overhead, creating an airy, open feeling that passengers absolutely love. Performance. Don't let the family-friendly appearance fool you. The Model X delivers exhilarating performance that defies its size. The dual-motor setup provides instant torque and lightning-quick acceleration that makes merging and passing effortless. Range has been improved to over 350 miles on a single charge, making long road trips more practical than ever. The adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts for optimal handling and comfort, whether you're cruising highways or navigating city streets. And with all-wheel drive standard, confidence in various weather conditions comes built-in. Features and technology. Tesla's technology suite remains industry-leading. The massive 17-inch touchscreen controls virtually everything with intuitive responsiveness. Enhanced autopilot capabilities make highway driving less stressful, though active supervision is still required. The premium sound system delivers concert-quality audio throughout the cabin. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and dedicated climate zones for each row keep everyone comfortable and connected. Over-the-air updates continue to add new features and improvements long after purchase. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model X proves that electric SUVs can deliver performance, luxury, and practicality in one stunning package. Would you choose the Model X over traditional luxury SUVs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this review helped you, give us a thumbs up, share it with anyone considering an electric vehicle, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more comprehensive automotive coverage. The future of driving is here.